Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Telegram app from your device. For now I'm using iOS device. So in iOS device, simply tap on a Telegram app for a second, then you'll see this kind of menu. Now tap on remove app if you want to delete your app permanently. Now again, to confirm, tap on delete app. You can also go for remove from home screen if you want to delete Telegram app for temporarily, but we are here to delete it permanently, so tap on delete and again tap on delete option. Now go to app library and here search for Telegram. You cannot see Telegram app as you have already deleted Telegram app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.